Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a tricky chart to talk about because it depends on your perspective going into this. Meaning, if you're some sort of day trader, for example, and you bought, somewhere up around here this morning and you're looking for a move up there, and so you could buy and sell within, 20, 30, 40 minutes. Well, then from that angle, things, the chart's looking really bad because it did the exact opposite. It actually pulled back. Now, if you care about more so the bigger picture point of view, it did pull back, but it basically stopped right at the level that, in my mind, was very important. And in fact, I threw out a green line out here in a previous video, but right there at basically the $61 mark. So, I mean, the power of charts, talked about this in past videos being an area that you would want to see act as support. And the thing pulled back, and then finally found some support right there around that $61 mark. So from the bigger picture point of view, so far so good. And what do I mean by that? Well, as long as the price continues to hold above that area, then that keeps in play an overall stair step, meaning if you envision these lows as one stair step, and then you look at previous lows right there as a stair step, and then you look at those lows down there as a stair step. In fact, you have some lows right there as a stair step. And then, if you envision these as a stair, case, well, the staircase is still progressing in the upwards direction. So again, from a bigger picture point of view, all that bullishness is still in play. But again, if you're a day trader and you bought right there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I'm trying to make some distinctions here, because I realize that this can get confusing when I'm sitting here saying that things are bullish, but I'm talking about from more of a bigger picture point of view. So yeah, if you're a day trader, then yeah, your perspective could definitely, vary on this. But just looking at everything from the bigger picture point of view, like I said, the price does still have the chance to build that higher base, which is important. And what I'm gonna do here is actually adjust this resistance. Now that we have more data, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust this area down. If I could grab out of the thing, there we go. Grab it down and make this a resistance trend line. So in my mind, that's going to be more so the key level of resistance right there. So let's see if the price can break up there and then get a push up through that area. But all in all, the chart's hanging in there, so it'll be an interesting Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.